Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get badges in Salesforce. Earning badges is a fantastic way to demonstrate your growing expertise and validate your skills within the Salesforce ecosystem. These digital credentials showcase your commitment to professional development and can significantly enhance your profile. They are a clear indicator of your knowledge in specific areas, helping you stand out in the community and advance your career. Let's dive into the one primary method for achieving these valuable recognitions. The exclusive path to earning Salesforce badges is through Trailhead, the official and free online learning platform. Trailhead provides a structured and engaging way to learn new skills, offering hundreds of modules and trails. These learning paths cover everything from fundamental concepts to advanced administration and development. You can explore a vast library of content at your own pace, making learning accessible and enjoyable for everyone. To earn a badge, you must successfully complete all the units within a specific module on Trailhead. Each unit typically ends with either a hands-on challenge, applying your knowledge directly, or a multiple-choice quiz to test your understanding. You need to achieve a passing score on these assessments to progress. Once all units are completed and passed, the badge is automatically awarded to your profile, signifying your accomplishment. Once earned, your badges are proudly displayed on your public Trailhead profile, showcasing your achievements. As you accumulate more badges, you also contribute to your overall Trailblazer rank, moving from Explorer to Ranger and beyond. These digital credentials significantly enhance your professional credibility, demonstrating your dedication and expertise to potential employers and peers. They open doors to new career opportunities and connect you with a vibrant community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.